Numerical number 26, chapter dimensional analysis. Given relation H is equal 2 sigma cos theta divided by H is equal 2 sigma cos theta divided by r square dg, where sigma is the surface tension of liquid. Sigma equals surface tension of liquid. R is the radius of the capillary tube. R is the radius of the capillary tube. Theta is the angle of contact of liquid with respect to the substance of the container, and D is the density of the liquid. Now we have to check the correctness of the given relation. Dimension of LHS is equal to dimension of H, where H is the height of liquid in the capillary tube. Dimension of LHS is equal to dimension of H, where H is the height of liquid in the capillary tube, height of liquid column in a capillary tube. Now we can draw a capillary tube and which is immersed in a liquid placed in a vessel. This is a capillary tube which is immersed in a liquid placed in a vessel, and liquid rises up to the height H in the capillary tube. This is the height of liquid in the capillary tube. H is the height of liquid, R is the radius of the capillary tube, and D is the density, and sigma is the surface tension of the liquid. Therefore, dimension of LHS is equal to dimension of height, that is dimension of L. Dimension of LHS is equal to L. Now dimension of RHS. Now the dimension of RHS is equal to, now dimension of RHS is equal to dimension of 2 into dimension of sigma into dimension of cos theta. Dimension of 2 into dimension of sigma into dimension of cos theta divided by dimension of r square into dimension of d into dimension of small g. Dimension of small g is equal to, now dimension of 2 is 1. Dimension of 2 is 1. Dimension of sigma, that means the dimension of surface tension, dimension of sigma is equal to, dimension of sigma is equal to mt to the power minus 2. This is the dimension of surface tension. Dimension of sigma is equal to mt to the power minus 2. That is the dimension of surface tension of the liquid. So finally we get what? Dimension of 2 is 1, dimension of sigma is equal to mt to the power minus 2. Dimension of cos theta is 1 because cos theta is dimensionless. Dimension of r square is L square. Dimension of density is ml to the power minus 3, and dimension of g is lt to the power minus 2, lt to the power minus 2, which is equal to mt to the power minus 2 divided by mt to the power minus 2. So finally we get dimension of RHS as equal 1. Dimension of RHS as equal 1. Dimension of right hand side is equal to 1, and we got dimension of LHS was L. Dimension of LHS was L, but dimension of RHS is obtained as 1. Therefore, dimension of LHS is not equal dimension of RHS. Dimension of LHS is not equal dimension of RHS. Hence, the given relation is incorrect. Hence the given relation H is equal to 2 sigma cos theta divided by r square dg is incorrect, that is wrong. The given relation is not correct, so that means the given relation is not valid.